In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can send a bulk email to a tag or to a group of tags. First of all, you'll design your email and then you'll go into the Clients section. If you're looking for a particular tag, you can use the funnel icon to see a list of all of your client tags and communication lists. Find the tag that you're after, which will then show you the clients you have in that list, and to send your email, you use the Send Email option. You'll then be able to pick your template from the list and send your email. If you want to send to multiple tags, you'll be able to use the Advanced Find function. So we'll clear all the filters, go back to all of my clients, and we can use the Filter Results option and search for client tags. Using the Client Tags Advanced Find, you'll be able to select multiple tags at once and group them all together. So if I select my VIP, my hot, my friends, and family, we have 4 tags here which we can now apply. We now see that there is 9 clients inside all of those tags. To communicate with them, we simply hit the Send and we then select Email, and we'll then be able to pick our template and use the Send options at the bottom to send this email off to the selected group of clients.